and that will convert it into the video we have stated, and we can have a look at that. And that is actually a pretty high quality 1480p video, even though it is only 800 kilobytes in size. Maybe we only want a certain part of our video, so it's 10 seconds in the middle, so we have to trim it. So we once again enter ffmpeg-i input mkv, and we have to set a start point from where we want to start our cut with -ss, and then we say it is at 10 seconds, and then we have to state the length of the video in seconds. We do this with -t, enter a 10, this is 10 seconds from the start point we have just set, and enter the output mkv again, and that will cut out 10 seconds of the video starting from the 10-second point. Now we only want the audio part of a video. So for that we enter once again ffmpeg-i input mkv -vn, which means no video, and then as an output we say output.mp3 and press enter, and that generated a mp3 which only contains the audio of our video. We can not only extract audio from our video files, we can also add additional audio to our video files. For that I'm going to enter a slightly more complex command, which is always starting with ffmpeg-i input mkv and then -i audio m4a, which is the second input file, which is the audio file we're going to add to our output. Then we use the map command, which says that we are going to map the first input argument volume, and then we enter 2.0, which will double the volume of our audio in our output file. Sometimes only a part of a video is interesting, so we're going to use ffmpeg to crop the video. For that we're going to use a video filter with -filter:\v, crop, then we enter the dimensions of the cropped video file and the start point. 00 means we are going to start our crop from the upper left corner. So when we press enter and then have a look at the finished result of our output file, we see it only displays the upper left-hand corner of our video. Sometimes you want to share your video project with someone else, but you also don't want that they use your work. So for that, you're going to add a watermark. And with ffmpeg, we're going to add a watermark with ffmpeg-i input file, -i the path to our watermark we have over here, which is a PNG. Then a -filter_complex overlay equals 50:50, which means that our watermark is placed 50 pixels from the top and 50 pixels from the side. And then of course the output file, and we press enter. And when we have a look at the finished video file, we can see that it now has my logo on top as a watermark. In one of my previous videos I showed you how to make a custom stream alert using PowerPoint, which you should totally check out over here, and that generated a file which includes the follow alert but also this green background, and we're now going to use ffmpeg to remove this green background and replace it with transparency. For that we are going to use this command. First we of course have our input file, and then we need to choose a codec that supports transparent video, which is the VP9 codec. Then we add a filter with -filter:\v, and the filter we are going to use is the chroma key.